Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday market webcast. Okay, we had talked about compression. We had talked about the Bollinger Bandwidth being, well, when we went into the other day, we talked about it being right around 2.05, got down to 2.06. Compression, expansion. Now, I'm not saying we're going to completely expand to the downside. I don't know if we are or not. The bulls are certainly trying to bounce things from the 29.58 low yesterday following the FOMC announcement and subsequent press conference. But you can see that there was a lot of tension build up in the bands that has released to the downside. So you can see we engaged the lower band. We closed below weekly pivot, closed below the roundy, closed below the 9-day, closed below the daily mid band. If those areas, if that cluster of areas, you've got your daily mid band coming in today at around 99, your 9 days at 04. If 99 to 08 can hold as some kind of resistance zone, then that coupled with a lower low can expand things to the downside. The first area you would look at would be 29.50, which is your 50-day exponential moving average, and down from there. Hourly chart. Consolidation, little bit of expansion. Consolidation, big old expansion. So there's 58. You can see it's been building higher lows. We got short after the Fed against the pre-FOMC price, which is 30.16. It never got back there. The one thing I had told the folks in the room before the announcement came out is, if you're going to go ahead and cut rates, then you need to go make a new all-time high. And if you can't, you're just begging the world to fade it. And that's basically what happened. Currently, we are long right around 71. When we opened last night, it became pretty apparent pretty quickly that volume-weighted average price didn't want to be resistance. At that point, we put out a buy. We're running everything now through Slack, which is really smooth, really crisp. Mobile, chat room, everything. It's tremendous. So there's my plug for them. So we got long 71 area. We were long 81.75 yesterday after we covered our shorts. 50 handles down from 30.14. So it's nice to see the volatility come back into the tape, which is very typical after consolidation. So consolidate, expand. Now we see what the market really wants to do. You can see the weekly pivot up there. We already talked about the daily mid-band in the area of 99. We talked about the 9-day in the area of 3004. So you've got this area here that I think needs a look. I think it needs a look. And how it reacts when it gets that look is going to be critical. It's not unusual for the pre-FOMC price to get another look, 24 hours within the announcement, but that's an awfully big move down from where the rate cut happened. Stranger things have happened, but we'll see how that goes today. So right now we're long until they really give us a reason to be short. And if they don't give us a reason to be short, I have no problem riding this right back to the upside. Off the open today, 85, 86 is going to be key. You can see the daily pivot, 29.84. Our proprietary moving average is 86. Hourly mid-band is 86. 5-minute mid-band is 87. So 84 to 87 is going to be important off the open. We'll see how it opens and we'll go from there. All right, everybody. Have a great day. Come check us out. Come trade this stuff with us. It's a great group of people to trade with on a fantastic platform. And if you do this stuff every day, I think you're doing yourself a disservice if you don't at least check us out. Take care. Trade them well. Talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.